What's up, everybody? See it there? Sea Dog here. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. So as you know, I've had a check engine light error message because of the active exhaust, and I actually purchased a new actuator and put that in, and still throws the code. So that did not help me. So finally I decided to bypass the system. Now let's see what we got. Khaos MotorSports active exhaust delete for Dodge Charger and Challenger 2015 to 2020. As you guys know, I have a 2017 Dodge Challenger RT with a few mods, but the annoyance of this check engine light is if I go to do my auto start, as soon as that check engine light triggers, it turns off the car. So can't do any kind of warm up, can't really do a cold start video. Like, I have to physically sit in the car and turn it on like the Flintstones. So we're going to throw these in and hope it bypasses the error message and the code goes away. So moving forward, it's supposed to be a nice easy install, 15 minutes. Basically all you're going to do is you're going to take the active exhaust actuators off the vehicle. You're going to put these in place in the two spots, and then you're going to set the active exhaust actuators on top of these, and instead of triggering the active exhaust, it'll be triggering these two spots as basically stoppers. So nothing major, something quick. I will put a link to their YouTube video on installation of this in the description. For this, I'm going to use a couple of ramps. I'm going to block the wheels. We got let's see, a 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter socket, and 3 millimeter Allen for these little screws right here. So that's what we got. Let's get this puppy up. Okay, not much to it. Supposed to be 3 bolts, but as you can see, I had one break off, so maybe this will actually be better for this. So one bolt broke off of there, so basically take those two, minus one, and then on the passenger side, there she is right there. Same thing, 3 bolts, take them off. Hold it in while you take it off, because there's a spring inside, so we don't want that spring to pop it out of place. So just hold in place and then push down lightly and bring it out all at once. So nothing major, super easy. Here we go. Okay, the 2 bolts on this side and the 3 bolts on this side were 8 millimeters, and they're out. So now what I'm supposed to do is remove the spring out of here and just put in a little insert, which is, you can see this guy right there. So that's next. Oh, and there's when you're putting these back on, I believe they included some Loctite. Whoops, Loctite. But I have some, so I'll use the stuff that I have. So basically, remove the spring, add in the little thing there, and I haven't disconnected them, so the same thing over there. You're supposed to be doing them one at a time, but you know, hey, I got them both open, so why not go ahead and keep on trucking. So I'll move these actuators out of the way. I'll install these guys with the Khaos pointed away from the exhaust, like that. So same thing here, that way. So basically I'll move the actuator out of the way, and then I'll throw this guy in place with the Khaos pointed that direction, so it can be read. Here we go. Okay, got it on. Got it on. So next up is thread lock on the screws, and then they go into those posts with the actuator. Alright, there you have it. 2 tightened down because I only had 2 as an option. As you can see, that broken off bolt did not come all the way out of there, so does me absolutely no good. And then this side, same thing. Boom, boom, boom. Easy install. Nothing major, so please let this take care of that stupid check engine light. I'm out.